Hello everyone, welcome to Apple's tutorial. So today we are going to start with very basic of Android and we will be creating an Android application with one simple button and we'll be adding some action to it. Let's get started. Create a new project. Let's rename as demo and make sure it is Java, and if you want to go with Kotlin you can go with Kotlin. So we can see here main activity.java is created and with the same name activity underscore main.xml is created. So this XML is view of this Java class. So we can see here the layout is activity underscore main. So for adding the button, either we can use drag and drop option or we can manually write it. So either we can do something like this or we can just write it button we will give some ID to it, a button, and some name to it, and it's here. Either we can place it somewhere here by dragging it or else we can give the constraint to it. So the top of parent is our this activity, and we will be placing this button just above to this text hello world. So bottom to top of, okay, we can see there no id is defined to this text view, so we will be adding a id to it, something like my text, and it will be the bottom of button will be to the top of my text. Yeah, now let's give the horizontal constraints. Start of parent and to end of parent, so it's here. If we want to place it just above to this hello world, so we will have to remove this top constraint, or else it will be between hello world and top. Yeah, we can give some margin between button and hello world, so margin bottom 40 density pixels. Okay, so now let's run this. And do not forget to download our application Apache Launcher from Google Play Store. Since we are building it for the very first time, so it will take some time. Devices will float. So we can see here our button is added here, and this is our very simple application. Now let's add on click option to it. I mean, add some action. So when user clicks on the button, it will do some task. So there are two options to do it. Either we can have here on click, and we can give some method name here, something action. So with this action we will have to add in the main activity.java. So you can see it is added here. Let's create on click and give some name action. So this action we will have to create in the main activity.java. And the second option is let's create first object of the button. Now initialize the button. Find view by ID. ID down. And now ID of the button. And now we can have button dot like that. Set on click listener. We can use here lambda also. So when on click, we can give some toast, make test toast. Now let's again run this. So when we click on the button, we can see here that it's showing a toast message. So we can add here any action. Better we can use some method. For some custom action, and this method we can call from here. So now here we can use some custom actions as per our need. Thank you for watching. We will be coming with new tutorial very soon.